In this video, I will explain you how to create wellness survey questions. First, click Add on School Fee Form and load from template. You can search wellness survey questions and then click the template and load selected template. Check the dashboard, responses, questions, and settings. After you refresh the page, you can click School Fee Form and get link. Just click Continue and click your account. And then choose Advanced, go to School Fee Form and then just click Allow. After you get the link like this, you can copy it and paste it into your search engine. Now the form is ready to use. You can also edit it, go back to your Google spreadsheet and then go to the Questions tab. For example, I want to add the new row and change the questions into age like this. Also change the options. For example, less than 20 years old and more than 20 years old. Go back to your form and now it's shown like that. You can also change the question type, checkbox, for example, for the feeling. This is, for example, the options happy, sad, good, or bad. So it will show like that. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore. So it will disappear. Go to settings. You can also change the background color of your form from blue into pink like this. Thank you.